Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators and this is the market update for Tuesday, August 10, 2021. Before I get into the market update, I will go over the steel stock, why I think that the steel stock are still a steal. If you have been following me on my YouTube channel on the weekend video, I went over the infrastructure deal. As you know that the infrastructure deal, the Investment and Job Act, just passed from the Congress, and that helped the market moving to the upside, especially the basic material sector and the financial market. The increasing of Delta virus also puts up the vaccine stock higher. So we will discuss some of the sectors that could be affected the most by the passing of the Infrastructure Investment and Job Act, such as heavy construction, transportation services, communication technology, and water pollution. Let's go over the list that I analyzed for you on the weekend so that we can see what they are doing. So first, let's talk about the steel stock, and I'm going to show you the 5 steel stocks are outperforming the market right now. So first of all, look at the NUE, that's the new core, that's one of the biggest American steel company, and they will be able to find support and then put it right back up. So the last couple of days, they already run up from $99 and straight up to $118 right now. So that's number one. Number two is STLD. Okay, it's still dynamic. That's another one that they build a big bay and break out and continue to put up to the upside. The next one is CLF. Okay, so this one is also trying to break out with a nice formation here. So they continue to put it up to the upside. And the TMSD, that's another small cap stock, but they also run up very high. They make it all-time high, and they continue to put it up to the upside. So as you can see here, with a $1.2 trillion to put into the market to improve the road, the bridge, the infrastructure. So we definitely need a lot of steel. So that's why a lot of steel stocks still have a high demand in the future here. All right, so I hope that you can find out the right one. And some of them would run up. You just wait for them to pull back to get in to the better price, and then continue to put it up to the upside. But beside the steel stock, right, the communication stock, as I show you on the weekend, those sectors that were affected by the infrastructure deal. As you can see that the communication, they're also doing well also, like CFTR. So this one, they are to sideways, but they are quite a way up right now. So this network, okay, let's go over the list that we show you. It's still doing well over there. CMC SA, which is a Comcast, it's also sideways, but they find a way to get it up also. So the road and bridge repair, this, as you know, that a lot of they need a lot of building material. So and the heavy construction equipment. So LM, okay, still doing very well here, and Capitella still doing well, as you know that, and John Deere, that's another heavy construction, is still doing extremely well there, and URI, so they need more equipment, so they will have to go to United Rental and rent more stuff, and they will be more business for them. The infrastructure, a lot of companies like BIPC still struggle in the bottom here, but they were looking for something to rebound. They don't have a buy signal yet, but PWR try to get up to the upside. ROAD, that's another one that they run up for the last couple of days, straight up there. And the clean energy, like ETN, right, it's also moving extremely well. OSK, another bottom pitching here, try to stabilize and looking for to move it today. CLH, another one, it's also to the uptrend. WTS, water technology, it's still hang tight there, but they are still in the uptrend there. And if you like the ETF, couple ETF that we look at over the weekend, IEIV, it's still in the uptrend there, IFRA. Let's see another one, that's the ETF, also pretty strong there. And PAVE, it's another ETF, it's very strong there. Okay, so overall, the market is still bullish, that you can see. So let's take a look on the market, and we'll see how they are doing right now. So first of all, let's take a look on the E-mini SP 500. So the overall trend is still bullish, even though it's again tighter. But as long as they don't show any sign of reversal, we still stick in the uptrend. As you can see here, so that's the SP 500. The Nasdaq is a little bit struggle for the last couple of days because the 10-year Treasury note they increasing for the last whole week here, so that caused the interest rate to move higher. Okay, so that's why they slammed down a little bit. They slow down the technology stock, but they push the bank stock higher because the long-term interest rate increase here. But they will slowing down the real estate sector, as you can see, because the interest gets higher to let people to refinance or buy the house. So that they slowing down the real estate sector a little bit there. And but the financial market, it definitely take a big advantage from that one. I'm going to go over a couple of stocks there so we can see. And now let's take a look on the Dow. The Dow tried to break to the channel here, and then they push it back up. They make it all-time high for the last 2 days. So the momentum kick up on the real Dow Industrial Average there. And let's take a look on the Russell 2000. It still have a trouble to punch through this resistance here, so they still go sideways. But sooner or later, if they be able to get up above this line, they will straight up to the top again. And let's take a look on the let me see what else here. The crude oil, the crude oil is still find a support here. They bounce back up from this buy zone here. Let's see if they can keep momentum to push it back up from this level. Right now they're still sideways choppy, but it looks like they try to find a way to put it back. Let's see if they can handle the support here and then continue to put it back, and then we would see here the overall trend is still sideways choppy negative for oil right now. Look at gold, it's also in big trouble for over the weekend. They dropped down like rock, but they found a support, and now they bounce back up. So in the short term, we're probably looking for some kind of rebound back to the resistance, and then let's see how they go from there. The Bitcoin is still continue to go. They hit to the first level of resistance, and then now they go sideways. But the momentum is still bullish, so definitely they're looking for something to go higher in the future there. The Ethereum is very similar. Okay, they have some resistance, but the momentum is still hold tight to the upside right now. And if you look at the let me see here. So in the sector, the energy sector is still fall behind here. They try to rebound a little bit, but the overall trend is still negative. The industrial sector is able to break out the resistance here today. So after the bill is passed, and then look like they gain some momentum to the upside, as I showed you earlier. The other one is the bio healthcare sector is still doing very well, even though they are a little bit extended. So you can see it, a lot of stock in this sector, they're doing extremely well last couple of days, especially the vaccine stock, because the Delta variant, the K number increased, so they still high demand for Moderna, right? Or the Pfizer, it still go straight up there. Okay, so those stocks are still in high demand, okay, right now. Other than that, the financial sector, it definitely is doing extremely well. but you know that where the money flow, the stock will rise. So that's what it is. So when the money, with a lot of money flow to the market, the financial market, it will definitely get the benefit. They have more money now, and then the interest rate it gets higher, so they can even loan out with the higher interest rate, so they make more profit. So the financial sector it tries to rumble to the upside, and a lot of stock in this sector it doing well. It like BlackRock, it will continue to rumble the upside. Goldman Sachs, like I told you over the weekend, it's still moving like crazy there. Morgan Stanley also extremely bullish. JP Morgan, that's another one that moved to the moon, and the regional bank also doing extremely well also. So that's what the market look like right now on Tuesday. So we still have more day to go on this week. So what you need to do is just focus on the strong sector, the strong stock, and then don't try to chase looking for the pullback so that you can get a better price. Okay, so beside this stock, if you're busy working, you can subscribe to our Watchlist premium watchlist, where we will handpick about 5 stocks every week and analyze in detail with the entry, stop loss, and the target so that you can follow. And if you would like to learn how to understand the financial market, how to read the chart by using a modern technical analysis, you can check out the link show more below. I hope that you enjoy my analysis. Please click the thumb up, like button, or any suggestion. Please let me know on the comment right below. Again, thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Take care, everyone.